my screen. Do you guys see my screen? Hello?
Screen is not sharing.
Which one, the one?
Entire screen.
Huh?
Entire screen.
أعمل شنو؟
Click on the entire screen.
Finish share button.
لا ده رد على
Share button اهو.
ايوه شير
Entire screen مثلا. لو انت عايز ويندوز معينة بس كده شير. كده شير.
Yes. So basically this is our templates. I think everyone have a good background on it. Those are PMT substations, and those are mini pillars, 5 circuits and 6 circuits. And we have here with a square shape, this is unit substation, and we have RMU substations and 2 transformers substation. These templates will be placed according to their photograph. Okay, so before starting anything, I prepared one MXD, which is this one. So we will prepare our map documents and pre-processing stages, whatever it is required before starting production. So this is our MXD. We will prepare our map documents here. We will insert our hyperlink base, which is survey data photograph link path. Okay, we will copy and we will paste here. This is our first stage. Our second stage is to find where are the templates. I will just zoom the templates here and will create bookmark. This bookmark I will name it as templates. Okay, which is this one. It will give me to this zoom extent. So now everything is ready. All I have to do now is the template placement process. So basically I will start with distribution box, which is here. Right click, open attributes. I will go by object ID one by one until I place all of them. So I will click on the first one, right click and pan to. Okay, so the distribution box will be placed here, but not exactly here. It will be rotated towards street. So this is the first thing. Now what I will do, I will just go back to that zoom extent, bookmarks, and I will go to templates here. Then I will zoom to my distribution box. By default, distribution box or mini pillar will have 5 circuits. Maybe small percentage will have this number, 6 circuits. But to make sure, I have to open the photograph first. So I will just click on hyperlink. I will activate it first. Properties, display, hyperlink, and I will choose hyperlink here. Okay, then I will save. Now I will open this photo. Photo is clear? Does my screen sharing photo or only ArcMap? Entire screen. Yeah, I think it's working now, right? So I will open a manipular photograph and I will check it. How many circuits I have here? Those are 5 circuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is in and this one is out. It is A and B. So I will place that template here. What I will do, I will go to the templates here. I will zoom here. Then I will start editing. Okay. I will select all of the manipular. Then I will mirror. By default, mirror will not be here. So I will have to activate it by going to customize mode, commands, and I will just search for mirror here. Editor, mirror. I will drag and drop anywhere. Okay. So I will click on the mirror tool. I will click anywhere. Then I will make it parallel like this. Now this copy is ready. I will just select it all and drag and drop. So I will go back to the zoom extent.
5 to 1. So 1 need to 1.
There is one thing. See, in this manipular, the numbering of the fuses is very important. Yeah, see this picture. It is 1 to 4 to 5. As per template, this is right, 1 to 5. But after I mirror, it will be replaced by 5 to 1. So I have to do double mirror. Okay, so I will keep this one here and I will mirror again. The order of the fuses is very important. Okay, so now this one is ready. I will take it and I will drop it on that distribution box by going to the latest zoom here. This process can be done using this one. Go back to previous extent and shortcut press the backward button. If you can see, it is next to shift. You see it? So does everyone can hear me? Huh? Okay. So I will go back to that manipular extent and I will drop it here. So now what is the process? The process is just a rotation process. I will put it here. I want to rotate it with the parcels. So you see this small cross. If you hold control, you can move this one. So I will move it to any corner here, for example. Okay. And I will put it next to the parcels. Then I will rotate using rotate tool like this. Okay. And there is another thing. If you press S, another one will come. So I will put it to the other edge. Then I will snap it. Now this one is complete. Very simple. I will do this process for all templates, manipulars templates and substation templates. For many pillars, the process is very easy, but for PMT and substations, there are some things that we need to be careful about. So let's go to the templates. I need to place one substation, PMT substation. Same process. I will go to substation here, open properties, then I will go one by one. First, I will check this one, number 1 here. Okay, this is our PMT. I will open the photograph and I will check. It is clearly, this is a PMT substation. Okay, so before any placement, we need to understand the connections here, and it is a mimic to the template. Okay, so if I go to the templates here, this is our PMT. Okay, the templates come like this. This one is a mimic to the reality. This is the LVDB. This is the LVDB. This is the transformer. This is the transformer. And this cable is bus bar. This will be considered as bus bar. All of this. Okay. So before I place it, there is one trick I can do here. It will easy the work. The work will be very easy. So what I will do, I will just draw these lines. I will go for MVOH. This is MVOH. So I will draw MVOH. I will snap on transformer. I will go to the edge here. Then parallel, control B. And I will choose my distance, 0.1. Okay. And 0.75. Here. 0.75 here. I will do the same thing for the other side. I can do just mirror like this. Now what I will do, I will select all of it and I will drag it to that PMT. I will go to the previous extent here. Okay, so when I place it, I will do the same as mini pillar. I will rotate it towards street. Same process. I will put it on this corner. I will put it here. I will click rotate and I will select the other one and I will rotate it here. Now I will just drag and drop. Drag where? Here on the intersection here. Now this is ready. I will do this process for all substations. Okay, so now I think we have placed distribution box and substations. So there is another template is RMU. We will go for RMU. This one. I will go for the RMU here and click band 2. Then I will check photograph. First I will activate hyperlink. Then OK. I will open the photo. Now as per photograph, there are only 2 switch. Sometimes I will find 3 switch. So I will place templates accordingly. So in this case we have 2 switch. I will go to the templates here and I will search for the 2 switch. Here, this one is 2 switch. Simply I will select and I will mirror, parallel and drag and drop here. So in this process, we will do the same thing. We will just rotate it to the parcels here, rotate, take the second one here, rotate. So in the placement, we will place it on the RMU point, and switches will be towards parcels, not like PMT. PMT will be towards street. So here it will be like this. So afterward the connection will be from inside like this. Okay, not from outside. Both sides will be from inside. So right now, no need to connect anything. We just have to place all the templates. Okay?
Should be the center of the pole.
Yeah. And another thing, the point should be on the center of the template here. And select like this. Okay? So suppose now I have placed all the templates. All the templates here will be for underground connectivity except for the PMT. The PMT is a overhead connection. So I need to do one connection of substation OH substations. Before going to the connectivity of PMT, I think anyone have question on template placement? Anyone have any problems? Any issues? Any questions? Hello? Shall I continue to the next stage or? Zarif? Amjad? Do you hear me? Okay. I think nobody have any question. So we will move to the next stage, which is the overhead connectivity. Okay. So this is pilot data, small portion of the project. We will have to connect several lines and several cases. So we will start on any corner. It is better to start on edges. No, don't start from the middle.
Excuse me, Mr. Monda.
Yes.
Mr. Monda, can we start the templates again? Because some guys are requesting to again start templates. How we can use templates? Mr. Anas also calling me and telling like that.
Yes, sure. Definitely.
Anas, क्या आप क्या हाँ जी
No problem.
Yeah, no problem. So basically,
नहीं अभी क्या उसे वो फॉरवर्ड जा रहा है नहीं मेरे लिए आप क्या बता देते हैं कोई इशू
Zarif साहब.
या
okay, no problem.
No problem. Check again.
We will do it again. So when we receive survey data, it will be like this. Only points. Okay? So before starting any digitization, anything, we will have to place all templates for substation, mini pillars, and RMU. Three assets. Okay? We will start by the easiest one, which is mini pillars. So I will go for first I will search where is the mini pillars like this. I will go to the zoom out, then I will zoom in here, templates like this. Okay,
right.
then I will take one bookmark, create bookmark. I will name it templates. Okay,
Right.
yeah. So in the mini pillars, be careful of one thing, which is fuse numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, the order from left to right or right to left. So it should be as per photograph. So I will go to the distribution box here, open attribute, start placement. Then I will go one by one. This object ID 1, I will go for 1. Right click, band 2. Here. Okay. I will open the photo. Then I will check how many circuits I have.
Yes.
Okay. This one is obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circuits, 5 outgoing circuits. And there is in and out, A and B. Okay. So this is the first thing. Now we have to know the ordering of this. This is in A, and this is the order from left to right. This is B. Okay, now I understand it all. I will just have to place it. I will go to templates. Okay, I will go for manipular here.
Right.
Right? So
Right.
the order here is fine.
Yeah.
Right? I can take it. But if I need to keep the source version here, so I have to mirror this one, and I will take a copy. Okay?
Yes.
I will select all of it, then mirror
Okay.
anywhere, then I will right click parallel like this. So now it is copied, but check the order from right to left. So what I will do, I will just mirror it again. I need the same order, parallel,
Yes.
like this. So now this is ready. I will just drag and drop, drag and press the previous extend button, which is here, and you say, and there is a shortcut on the keyboard near the shift key. So I will click that one like this until I go back to this manipular. Okay, so I have placed it, but now I have to rotate it towards straight. So I will select it all, and I will this cross. If you hold Control on the keyboard, you can move this. This will be the center. Put it on any edge, any corner. Okay. Then I will place this corner here, so I can snap it. Okay. Now I will click on Rotate tool. This one. By default, this X will not show, but you have to press S. When you click on S, this one will appear. So I will take it and put it on the other corner. Now I can just rotate with the snap. Okay. I will keep it in the middle like this. Now we are ready to go. Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Yes. This is for mini pillars. Now I will go for substations. Substation is PMT substation. I will go to substation here. Right click, open attribute, click on the first one, object ID. Right click, band 2. This one. Okay. So I will open photograph, of course, to identify which template I will use. So it is very clear, this is PMT. Okay. So it's better to understand. Don't just memorize. Just understand how this template works.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, I think I deleted my one of the templates here. I deleted by mistake. So I will just undo. Yeah. So templates will be, they will come like this without any cables. They will come like this.
Right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I will just open the photo and understand the template itself. This is OH. This is the pool. This is transformer, which is, this is transformer. This is bus bar, all of it. The bus bar will just transfer current. That's it. Okay. Now this is LVDB. This is LVDB. How many circuits here? 4 circuits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will take this one. Obviously. How to take it? I will select it. I will do the same process. Mirror here. Click anywhere and make parallel. Use any template like this. Halas. Now we can take it. Drag and drop. Okay, this is by default. But there is one thing you can do before doing this process, which is this one. This is our template. Okay, so we have to mimic this connectivity OH, because if you did not make it, it will take a long time modifying each template. So it is better to do it from the start, and it will be easier. So what I will do, this is OH connectivity. I will draw one OH cable here, MVOH. I will check for MVOH cable from here to the edge here and make it 0.1. Okay, to the left 0.75, and here is 0.75. Okay, same thing will be on the other side like this. Now this template is ready to be taken and placed accordingly. So I will select this one. I will mirror anywhere here and parallel like this, and I will select drag and drop. Drag and drop here. I will do the same process of mini pillar. I will take this cross, put it here, rotate it towards street, snap it, ready. This one, this cross will be placed here. Alas. Now we are ready to go. This is complete. All PMT will be like this. So another template here.
This line, these lines should be duplicate.
Which one?
Center line. 2 lines are there.
No, this is one. So we will go for RMU. We will check RMU. RMU I have different types. 2 switch, 3 switch, 4 switch. For example, I will go to this photo and I will open it. This one. Photograph is not working, but as per photograph, this is RMU 4-way. And this is RMU 3-way. There are different types. So only photograph. By photograph we can identify. Let's open this one. Here we have clearly we have 2 switch, 1 and 2. So maybe I have 3, another one. maybe I have 4, maybe I have 5, depends on the photograph. So this one I know, 2 switch. I will go for templates here. I will select, these are RMU templates, so I will select the 2 switches, this one, mirror, same process, parallel, like this. Then I will select this one. I will drag and drop, same. Okay, I will do same process. I will rotate here. I will click on rotate and I will place it on the point like this. Okay, so here in RMU, the connection of the underground cable will not be outside, it will be inside only. So from here we can make a standard distance 0.25 and here 0.25. Okay, then connect outside like this. If there is any connection, it will be like this. If you make it like this, this is wrong connection. SEC will not accept. So always follow inside. Okay, now all templates now are placed, will be placed at the same way. Zarif, do you have any questions? It's clear?
No, thank you. That's good.
Okay, I forgot one thing. Substation have many types. We have placed pull mounted, right? We have another type, which is room substation and unit substation.
Yeah.
Let's go for unit.
Right.
Okay, so we will open the photograph here. This one, this is unit. So in the unit, I will have to check 2 things: how many switches and how many breakers. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 breakers. Okay, this is the first thing. Now the second thing is how many switches. I will go to the next, this one. How many switches here? There are 2. 2 switches and 8 circuit breakers. I will check that from the templates. I will go to the templates here. I will select. Okay. We have 2 switch and 8 circuit breakers, which means this is the template that I will take. Okay. I will select it. I will mirror.
Then copy.
Okay. Then copy. Double mirror هنا. Double mirror because you have to check the switch number 1 or 2, the breaker numbers 1 from left to right or right to left. So you have to be careful about these things. What you have to do, how to be careful, just go for the fuse, properties, and go to label. Check the breaker number here. Label this one. Okay, and go for DPD, dynamic protective device, and activate the same thing. Label this one and breaker number. Apply. See, this is 1. This is 1. Okay, on this one, try to label equipment ID. Here, equipment ID. Yes, it is like this, from left to right. So, I will take this one and place it on the point here. So, I will do the same. I will just rotate towards street. Then I will place LVDB towards street and
Snap to person.
yes, like this. Okay. Is this clear? Okay, now this is for template placement. Template placement is now ready and done for all the things. Now our second stage is OH digitization. In OH digitization, actually you have to be very careful. It is not something that you can follow easy, and it depends from the point of view you will differentiate between anyone. So, but at the end of the day, the concept is all the same. So, when I want to start OH digitization, I will not start from the middle, definitely. I will go to any corner, okay, then I will start from that. So, for now, I will start, okay. This is my pools. I can start from here. This is our first pool. Does everyone hear me? Everyone is with me? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will start. I will go to pools here, right click, properties. I will activate hyperlink. This is the first thing. Then, okay. Right? Then I will start. Hyperlink and click on the first pool. Now, you will have to check 3 views of the pools. You have to understand it very clear. Now, the first thing is, this pool is going near the parcels. So, the first thing is, I have to identify the direction of the connectivity. Okay, this is the parcels. This is the parcels. So, it is going straight. It is going like this. This is the first thing. The second thing is, what type of connections here? MV and LV. By default, we will always start with MV. We will connect MV first, then LV. So I will not open and connect here directly. I will open the second pool as well. I will check here. See, this MV pool is not connecting here. No connectivity here. So I will check the third pool here. Okay, now I understand. This pool connection is going from here to here. What I will do, I will draw it. I will go to the MVOH. Be careful of the snap. Snap it on the pool. Pools. This is the first one. This is the second one. I will continue. I will open this pool. Okay, nothing here. No connectivity here. Unfortunately, this pool have duplicate image with this one. Okay, this photo is duplicate. So probably this pole is connecting here. Since this cable is going straight, so be careful all the time. Sometimes survey people might forget to collect one pole, so maybe this is one is missing. Okay, so I have to be careful about this thing. So I will connect here, then I will continue. I will check the next one here. Okay, now this is the MV stops here. Okay, I will stop here. I will connect here and I will finish sketch F2. This is the first step. Okay, now I will go back again here to the first line. Here I had an LV connection. This one I have to draw it. When we draw these LV poles, we have to follow one standard is LV poles should be towards parcels with a gap distance 0.2. Okay, so what I will do, I will just simply select this line. I will go for editor, copy parallel, then I will identify which type, left or right. Here this is the parcel, so it will be left. So I will take left. Then I will choose the type of the cable, LV cable, then I will press 0.2. Okay, now this is the first line. Now I will go here because this cable, I will open this photo. There is some connectivity here. I will connect. Right click, insert vertex. Here, then I can maintain here. I will check for the next pool here. Open photo. Then I will check this. There are two connections here, MV and LV at the same pool. So in this type, there will be some V shape. We will not snap it, but we will make it V shape. Okay. Anybody said something? Abdullah Majdi? The screen is working. Everybody can see. Nothing wrong, right? Okay. So on this one, we have a V shape, as I said, MV and LV connecting on the same pool. I will just select this one. I will insert vertex here. I will insert vertex here. I will insert vertex here. Then I will make it like this without snapping. So that means this pool is connecting to the two lines. I will continue. I will continue to here. Okay, so this is duplicate photo. So unfortunately we cannot edit anything here. Then we come to the last photo, which is connecting here. It's also stopping here. So this cable here, okay. Now here we have one PMT. I will place PMT template here so we can identify the connectivity. We will go for the templates. Here I will select this PMT. I will mirror. Then I will select it and drag and drop here. Here. So by default, this cable will be connected here. Okay, this is the first thing. Now we merge these cables. This is the first step. We still have this LV, but not now. We have to identify the connectivity from here. So here, be careful. We will open photograph. Okay, we will look into many angles to identify the type of connectivity. So basically there are two types. One is directly from LVDB to here, and some cases we have cable riser from here to here. So we have to identify the type of connectivity. How we should do that? We should do that simply by checking photo. Let's check this one. Let's see how many cables are there. Okay. Now this now check here. Yes. Now check here. This cable MV is going to the transformer. Then from the transformer it is going out like this and feeding LVDB. Okay? This is from outside. Now let's check from inside. Okay, now this is from inside. This one and this one are coming from transformer, right? They are feeding this bus bar. This is bus bar. And they are going out here, going from here to this circuit. Now check the connectivity here. How many cables here? Three cables. Three outgoing cables. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So in this example we have 4. This type of template is 4. So this may change. Sometimes you will have 2 breakers only. So at that time we have to modify here. At that time we have to modify here. We can delete this one. Delete. If we have 2 breakers. Okay? So for now, for the practicing purpose, we will not modify anything. We will just connect it. So, okay, now this is the first thing to identify. Now, the second thing to identify is how many cables are going from here. There are 3. Okay, the first one, which is this one, obviously it is going underground. Okay, and we have another cable here. It is going up, and on the right we have another cable is going up. So 1 cable riser and 2 LVOH cables. Okay, now we will draw this line. I will go to the LVOH here. I will make 0.2. Then like this. Then I will click here 0.2. Trace tool. You will click on trace tool, and on this line I will click anywhere. Then I will press O, which is 0.2, right? So if I press on tab, it will change which side I want, which direction. This direction. Okay, so I will draw this line like this. First I will reshape it like this. Okay, now I will check distance from here 0.2. This is 0.2. Then I will click on this LVOH. I will just move it to the point to line here, and I will snap this, click on it, right click, edit vertices, and select the last vertex and put it here. خلاص. Now merge this line. Select both of them, editor, merge. Okay. See, we don't have to place any cable riser here because it is going like this straight from here. Okay. Now for the second cable, this one is going from underground and it's connecting to the same cable. So what I will do, I will just put the cable riser here on this. See, this area is this area. This is the first connection, which is this one, and this is the second cable, which will be here. This may sound somehow complicated, right? Hello?
Yes.
This is complicated, or you are with me, guys? Anyone have issues? Huh? No problem if anyone have questions, so we can answer this and move on.
कोई दिक्कत है समझने में
The connectivity here is خلاص, it is complete here. Hello? Zarif, Amjad, all other guys. Anyone have?
We are listening. We are listening.
It is clear?
Yeah.
it's clear.
Okay. Now we will continue. We completed the left side. Now we will go to the right side. Okay. This is our left. Halas, finished. Now we will connect this side. Okay. No need for this one since there is no MVOH here. I will delete it. Halas, no need. Okay. So I will continue for the next spool here. I will open photo. This is LVOH. Check for how many angles. For all the angles you have to check. This is LVOH. Okay. This cable is going straight and there is a jumper between this one and this one. So all cables here are connected with each other. So what I will do, I will just follow the connectivity. I will check LVOH line. I will just draw from anywhere here. I will go. I will snap here. Then I will continue like this. I will open this photo here. Okay, cable is going straight. So I will just go straight. Yes. So I will just go straight. Then I will open the next photo. This pole. It is going straight. Okay. I will go straight. I will open the next one. Okay. Okay. Now this pole stops here. So I will connect here and stop. Finish sketch. Save. Okay. Now I will connect this cable from this PMT. What I will do, I will just follow the same. I will open photograph here. I will check how many cables. How many cables here? One cable. And how many cable riser? One. This is going from here. So this one is not cable riser. But we have two cables here. Okay. And they are cable risers. They are connecting here. So what I will do, I will just connect this circuit from here point 2 like this. I will merge, then connect here to here. Then I will delete this line. So this is the first connection. I will merge. Okay. This is the main connection. This one. From here going like this until here, which this one. So I have to place two cable risers here. So this is the first one. I will put here and I will maintain 0.25 distance between cable risers. I will select this cable. I will select this cable riser first, put it here, go for editor, buffer, and select 0.25. Click OK. Now what I will do, I will just drag and drop here on this. Alas. Two cable risers, one LVOH. Two cable risers, one LVOH. This connection is complete. Alas.
Excuse me, Mohammed.
Yes,
Mohammed?
tell me.
Do we
Yes.
have to put joint there? Which type of joint?
No need to place any type of joints in the overhead.
Okay.
Only cable risers. So survey people may have sometimes forget to place cable risers, and sometimes they will add more than one cable riser. So they don't know very well. So we have to identify. Okay, so that means there is extra two cable risers here. Because now all connectivity is okay. 1, 2, this is main. One cable riser here, two cable risers here. One here, two here. That means those are extra cable risers. No need to connect them. And don't delete them. Keep them like this and bookmark. Create bookmark. Extra cable risers. Please advise. If you don't know the connectivity, don't connect it. Just bookmark it. Okay? So, this is the first thing. Now, I believe this cable here have 3 connections. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 1, 2. Now we will check this pool. Okay, this is our pool now. It is going straight. So it is from here going straight here. I will open this photo. Going straight. I will continue. I will open the photo. Straight. Continue. Straight. Don't split. If it is not necessary, don't split. Click here. Okay, now it ends here. It stops. Okay. Now finish. So, in electrical background, you have to check this type of connectivity. Okay, what it says here, it says this medium voltage this is considered as power of supply. So this medium voltage is feeding those lines, and those lines are feeding those blocks. This block is fed from here, and also this block is fed from here. So you have to pay attention that it is impossible for two substations to connect with each other. No power supply will feed two lines. You have to identify by the photograph. I will show you one example here.
At the end of pole, we have to put end cap.
No joints. No
On both
joints.
LV.
MVLV, everything, no joints. Joints may be in underground if there is joints in as-built. If it is found in as-built, then we will place. But in overhead, there is no joints.
And there is two types of conductors, that is wear and bundle in LV, okay?
Yes, bundle and bare conductors. I think this is also out of the scope. If you check the material mandatory list, there is no conductor type.
Okay.
There is conductor size and conductor material.
So we will merge if there is any conductor, okay?
Yeah. Just read the mandatory list. If it is there, use it. If it is not there, then it's out of the scope. Okay. So basically, this OH connectivity, all of them will be like this. But as I said earlier, you have to be careful about one thing.
Photos.
Okay. I want to check one example here for LV lines. Yes, for this example. This is yes. This is an example of don't collect blindly. You have to check. This cable is not connecting here. Okay?
Yes.
I will not place any joints. I will not plate anything, but I will split. I will split the line. I will not merge this line with this line, because this one may have a different source and this one different source. So later on there will be sync and source. If you merge, you will have big trouble filling that attribute, and it will cause big problems for many assets. So be careful about this type.
So we can place both the points on pole, or one line should be away from the pole.
No, both lines will be on the pool, but they will split. Okay. Now this is for OH connectivity. We can take another example of BMT connection, which I think this is the most frustrating stage on OH connectivity. Everything is simple except for PMT. Okay, we have this type of PMT. For example, this is PMT without overhead network. Okay, in this case we have MV cable riser, two MV cable risers, and one PMT. So the first thing is we will place the cable riser, the template first. We will place it first. Go to the templates. Select this one. See, before selecting and copying. See, this is not MVOH. This is MVUG. As per SEC, all these cables will be considered as MVUG. So I will replace these cables with MVUG. Go for MVUG here and the edge and click point 1. 0.75 and 0.75. Okay, we will take this template, we will mirror it first here, then we will place it there. Okay, we will do the same process, rotate here, rotate, and we will place this one on the pool. The intersection will be on the pool here. This is the first thing. Now we check the photo again. As I said, there are two cable risers and MVUG cables. Okay, so we go here. There is MVUG cable and there is one cable riser here. See, cable riser should not overlap. So I will maintain 0.25 distance. Simply, what I will do, I will just click here on the pool, editor, buffer, 0.25. I will click, I will OK. I will snap this one here. Okay. After that, I will just delete this line because it's a reference line, no need. This one will be connected with underground connectivity, which we will not go through it today, tomorrow definitely, but this is for OH. Okay, so guys, what I want you to do is everyone must try to draw at least one pilot once. OH connectivity, okay, template placement. You may find this is very easy, but when you try to work, you will face many troubles and issues. So for the rest of the day, just try to practice this one. Tomorrow when we will meet, we will find what issues you have found and how to fix them. If we completed that, we will go to the next phase, which is underground connectivity. So please try to draw your own pilot, everyone. This is for today. Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you say, people? Why people are so silent?
Because people are concentrating on you and
Hungry. People are hungry.
Hungry, I am also hungry and thirsty, and I want to put.
Okay, if you are hungry, go to take a break from 10 to 15 minutes, take something, then come back.
Inshallah.
you want to eat or smoke?
Yeah, go eat, go eat. Oh, go eat. We will. I prefer if we meet again tomorrow. How this will be? Because today you can process. This time you will not have time
Yes.
to practice.
Yes.
Yes. So please practice for today. Tomorrow we can arrange timing and create another session.
Yes.
Okay.
Must be processed.
Yeah, then this must be processed. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank
Why
you.
Okay. Hmm?
Who is this one?
Ryan, sir. I don't know. There are new people here.